At RJAM, our team's mission is to help you carry out your projects, thanks to our expertise and know-how. Whether for ergonomic development, industrial upholstery of train or airplane seats for world-class companies, or for a local restaurant that needs new booths, we are happy to be at your service. You are much more than a customer to us. You are a business partner. Since 1957, we have kept our promise to offer superior products. As time passed, we realized we could do more to help you, much more. We give you the advantage by putting our expert skills and knowledge at your disposal and providing you with tailored industrial subcontracting services. With its ERP system and its 5 digital cutting centers designed for textile and wood, RJAM is knocking on the door of the 4th Industrial Revolution. We will support you in all types of projects, even exclusive or large-scale ones. We can cut wood, plastic, fabric, leather, foam, and any non-ferrous matters. Our specialized skills and experience will allow you to improve your process efficiency and save on raw materials. Working with the RJAM team is working in a supportive atmosphere, and above all, it means you are guaranteed to have a durable product of the utmost quality.